G'day, it's TimWanderer. I'm very excited. You know what? We are going to spend one night on the boat. We're heading to Noosa River, so there's going to be a bit of fishing, a bit of crapping. It's going to be a great little trip. Come and join us. Alright, just drop off the girls at their friend's place, and then now we are going to go to the boat ramp. Beautiful boat. So we're heading up river now. It's 3:14. Have fun, Mum?
Nope, not yet.
Very shallow, 1.5, 1.3.
Very shallow.
Very nice. Catching any? A little? We just crossed the barge. There was a cable in between. I know it's pretty deep, but just in case, I did trim my motor up. Such a beautiful day. Done. Hello, duck. That could be dinner. I don't know if you can see the sunset right there. It's calm as, no wind whatsoever. It's just beautiful. Our bed set up. So close to the water. It's just magical. I bought a kayak so I can come out to places like this, but I bought a boat so I can stay out in places like this. When you consider this is only like 2 hours drive north of Brisbane, this is just beautiful. Noosa cruises, look at that.
So you lost it or what?
Yeah, well, it's stuck in there. Nope, nothing in there. What is it?
Can you, if it's not good, can you not even drag it up here?
I can't tell what it is. Can you?
Don't fall in. Survive, yeah, it survived. Chicken burger. If that's not enough, you can have an instant noodle.
Oh, right. Can I use some of the chicken as bait?
Nope.
What? Fish like chicken. Yep, ready to go. How good is that? Wind's gonna pick up later, but we'll deal with that when it happens. But right now, dinner time.
Yeah, I have a dead-end job. I live in my sister's attic and I basically never go out.
Ah, there we go. Glow in the dark.
Oops. Lid, please.
Move the boat to closer to shore. Oh, good morning. Alright, first night slept on the boat. I knew that the tide was going to turn about 2 a.m. and the wind was going to pick up at about 12. The wind never came. The tide did turn. But in the back of my mind, I kept worrying about the boat dragging anchor. It couldn't have been with this, how calm it is. My concern was if we were dragging anchor after the tide turn, we're going to get pushed into the lake in there, which is really shallow. But nothing happened. We're stationary, we're at the same spot as where we were trying to catch fish. They weren't interested in frozen bait, so they have to get live bait. And there were a couple of herrings here. So let's see, we'll probably stay for another 2 to 3 hours here, have breakfast, pick up the crab pots, which is just dunk there, and off we go back to the boat ramp and have lunch at Noosa River. I did not expect to have a bream in here, and I think that's just legal size. Eatable tonight.
Fish.
From my cast net. Do you want that for breakfast? Fish for breakfast?
Nope.
Oh, okay. So maybe just bring it home. Oh my goodness. Man, nothing. Babies. Had so much fun. I'm so proud of the missus that actually came out with me. It was a bit chilly last night. We do need to get a better sleeping bag, but other than that, everything's great. Did catch one bream. It was a bit disappointed that we didn't catch any crabs, but how can you complain? Look at this place. This is so peaceful and calm. If you like the outdoor, I encourage you to come out. It is just relaxing and very tranquil. We thoroughly enjoyed the trip. Now I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you liked the video, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate it. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye.